Hey folks, Tosh here. Welcome back to the channel. Just heading home from 6 awesome days out in the woods with Adam Romano from the YouTube channel Adam Romano Explores. We've been paddling and done a lot of portaging, explored some really cool backwoods lakes, some really brutal portages, and seen some absolutely stunning scenery. It's been such a great time. The weather's been all over the place. We've had some heavy rain, some wild wind, and now the sun is just blazing. Beautiful blue sky in the mist. But let's wind it back 6 days. I'll take you back to the start of the trip and show you how it all began. Not to have a dog. He was like, but all my food for this trip is homemade. So good, so simple. This is potatoes out of my parents' garden with a bunch of spices and pork tenderloin. Sick. Spaghetti, meat and cheese. That's beef curry with potatoes, carrots, onions, peas, all kinds of stuff. That is chicken curry. And this is a Asian beef kind of stir fry. But yeah, I'm super happy with it.
Good. Watch that camera.
Good morning. A very, very blustery night has turned into a very blustery morning. Ton of rain last night, some thunder, some lightning. Yeah, it's a pretty good storm. Thankfully, we got everything done and everything packed away before the real rain hit. But 2 in the morning it really came down. Very overcast and windy out there right now, but I guess time to make some breakfast. Oatmeal, peaches, and maple syrup for breakfast this morning. Peaches from home that I freeze dried. Turned out awesome. And coffee. Come on, group. What a morning. The sun feels amazing. We were just looking for our portage and found a boat stashed here. This is pretty common practice in a lot of northern lakes, is for people to stash boats back in the bush so they can come back and whether it's ATV or whatever, to drag the boat in. But it's also illegal to leave your boat here. This one has been here for quite a while. There's actually a warning on it that it will be seized by the Crown if it's not removed. So this being September of 2022, that was January of 2012. I don't think they're coming back for it anytime soon. Kind of strange, this portage just ends here at this pond. It's supposed to be about 1,000 meters, and I guess the beavers have been working overtime because they've got it all dammed up, this creek. So I have to jump back in the boat, I suppose, and try and find the other side of it. I don't know if it came through this pond or skirted it. There's lots of beaver sign, but I can't see any sign of the trail. Well, that might be it. That kind of looks like a trail heading in there. Maybe. Anyway, I should wait for Adam to catch up. So we're both on the same page here. And at least if we're going the wrong direction, we're going the wrong direction together. Good boy. Good dog. Thank you. Anybody want a beer? How long is this thing will sit here? That was quite the trail. It always feels nice when you're finished. Tonight's dinner is homemade chili with cheese. What are you eating, Adam? Chef's surprise. Wind is starting to die down. It's just spectacular out here right now. Oh, clouds are moving out. Blue sky for first time in this trip. Have a little some chili. Sit in this beautiful spot and enjoy my day. Breakfast this morning is scrambled eggs, there's hash browns, steak, red, green, yellow, and orange peppers, red onion. Pretty awesome. Adam said it smells like a diner right here.
And I have oatmeal. And I'm very jealous.
I made this at home in my freeze dryer. It's amazing. I wasn't sure how it was going to turn out, but super happy with it. Feels like a fishy kind of day. What a gorgeous morning. Just trolling along the lake, hoping to bump into a fish. But whether we do or not, you just can't beat a day like this. It's amazing. The weather is incredible. This misty, beautiful morning. It's nice and warm out. The sun's now burning off all the mist and coming out. You can't beat a day like today. I was really thinking we were going to get into some fish this morning. Felt like a fishy kind of morning. Oh well. I'm the Portage. Took a walk up through the woods and hoping to bump into something that resembled a trail, just kind of zigzagging back and forth. Nothing. I don't think this portage gets used very often or at all. There's an alternate route we could take. From what we understand, that the other route, the alternate, might be more well used or at least more established, but trail is over 3K. That just adds considerable amount of travel to our day. Anyway, I'm gonna scoot around a little more. Our maps show a couple different options. One going down a creek that may or may not have enough water in it for us to pass, and another 3-kilometer portage, which is our last resort. to the lake. I get out here and get a drink. It took a lot longer than I thought it was going to. Mostly downhill now, which is good. What a day. I think this is the lake we're going to try and find a campsite on tonight. It's a pretty big lake. That's it for portaging, hopefully. I mean, it's going to have to be. I'm done. There's 2 young peregrine falcons flying around in here. And they were on a rock over there. I was trying to zoom in on them, but the boat's bouncing and the footage is probably not very good, but kind of cool to see. Yeah, this will do nicely. Oh, that feels so good. It's so cold. It feels great. We have to go all the way up the tree here. Got a nice little poplar tree growing in our fire pit. Sorry, tree. Oh my goodness, look at the roots on this thing.
You're only supposed to cut dead trees.
Well, do we cut it down, or do we pull it out, or do we burn it? What are the options here? Got carrots, beef, broccoli, rice, garlic, onions. I thought there were peppers in it, but I don't see them. Help yourself, you want some of this stuff.
I wish I had like a French roll. Like some bread would be amazing right now.
Got all cleaned up and then flew out the next morning.
Yeah. Breakfast of champions. Spicy ramen.
It's all gray and overcast and it looks kind of bleak, but it's a warm southern wind. So it's actually really beautiful. Feels good. Adam was just saying that it'd be nice to have another 10K of paddling to go this morning with this nice tailwind we've got. Just cruising along, just drifting and sipping coffee. But we have a 2-kilometer portage out of this lake. Definitely seems like there's been a lot of walking on this trip. Smaller lakes spaced apart leads to long portages. But where would you rather be?
Good luck.
Good job. Lots of blowdown on the trail. We're slowly making our way along. I'm feeling pretty good this morning. Definitely needed a little rest last night before tackling this trail. It's a little hard to find at times because there's so much blowdown and to veer around and relocate the trail again. So we're maybe halfway now. mean, that was a rough trail. Wow. Oh man, especially the last couple 100 meters. Maybe because we knew we were near the end. Just gonna drift in the boat and troll, let the wind blow me down this nice little lake. Seems like we've spent the majority of this trip portaging. Spent a lot of time on shore. So, have lunch in the boat today for a change. At least that way I don't feel like bringing the boat was a waste. Goes like straight downhill. You good?
Yeah, man.
That downhill at the end, man. You slipped there, you were going to tumble right down till you ended up in a lake. This lake looks beautiful. The water is almost like a turquoise color. What a pretty lake, eh? Oh man, I can't get over the color.
Yeah, it reminds me of those acidified lakes in Temagami.
Yeah.
Like what we were talking about before in the Attribution.
Turquoise aqua color, aquamarine or whatever they call it. So clear, it's like gin. Blustery on the lake now. Wind's really picked up and it's got a little choppy. Kind of a soggy end to this little portage, but it was short, so that's all right. Try and find a campsite on this lake, but kind of runs north-south and the wind is straight out of the north, so the whole way up the lake, we're right into the teeth of it. I don't know, football on the beach, so Cooper gets a toy for tonight. Come on, Coop. What's this? Come here. Come on. Come here. Go on. Oh, that feels good.
Now.
Still hit. Smell that.
Oh, dude, that sounds amazing.
Chicken curry tonight with chicken rice, red and yellow peppers, red onion, spinach, and a bunch of other spices and stuff. Curry, obviously. Made at home, and it's amazing. Nice air.
Love the sand. I tell ya.
You're a big fan of the beach, eh?
Oh, yeah.
It's a lot colder than it was the last couple of mornings. But it's refreshing. Can't quite see your breath yet though. Breakfast this morning consists of coffee and some kind of bar, Cliff Bar kind of thing, dunked in the coffee. Adam's going really fancy. He's got s'mores oatmeal.
It's amazing, actually. Surprisingly, it's really, really good.
And we're off. Like a turd of hurdles. Something like that, right? Got a series of shorter trails to hike today. A bunch of small ponds and lakes to get through. Had a bit of a tricky time finding this next portage. The only indication for this trail was this little piece of marking tape hidden on this tree. Finally found our lake. And a side note, Mr. Kevin Callan, if you happen to be watching this, that was not 300 meters, my friend. That was not. We're following your map, and that was at least 6. Easily.
Water! Nice. Let's do it.
So we came through all that, probably 300 meters from the water, where there's one piece of flag tape. we find our portage sign. That was a slog. It's a long way. Laundry day? This one's a little easier coming downhill than going back up. But the day is getting long. I am getting hungry. Here for 5 minutes. Wait. Wait. You gotta put some water in it.
I think I might go crazy and mix my pasta and chili into one.
Oh yeah.
2 meals left.
Chili pasta. That'd probably be alright.
Yesterday I was pretty hungry when I went to bed.
Yeah. I've been holding on to a Mars bar for a few days, so that's dessert tonight.
You know, I think we're gonna get the best sunset ever. Of this trip.
almost back to the vehicle now, and it's been an absolutely gorgeous morning out here. You just can't beat this time of year, late September, early October, for being out in the bush. Thanks so much for coming along, folks. If you enjoyed this video, drop me a comment, let me know what you think. It's always much appreciated. Alright, thank you, and we'll see you on the next one.